are the inputs for your negotiations if you are trying to negotiate on any of the issues or the problems over the project? What do you think, guys? Share with POQs, bill of quantities. So you will have the idea, guys, of what is the issue that you're discussing, and you need to get prepared. If you are getting to any negotiation meeting and you are not prepared, most probably we are not reaching a fair agreement from your side. If I am the negotiator, then most probably I'm getting everything I want, even if it's against you, because you are not prepared with the inputs that you need and the information that you want, correct? And definitely you need to be prepared on what is your objective of having this negotiation, especially if you are asking for the negotiation meeting, correct? Let's say that you have a variation you want to discuss, or you have a request you want to discuss. Unless you have full information about how things will go and what you are asking for, then most probably you're getting nothing. So please get prepared with some documents like, let's go for this. Like what? Statement of work and major deliverables. What was the agreement on what to deliver? Correct? And what is the major deliverables that you are going to submit? Again, a schedule of milestones and dates. Because if we're negotiating that you are late on delivering the service that you hired for, you need to know what was the agreed dates and have you submitted the deliverables on the dates requested or not. If yes, and you have those proofs, then definitely the negotiation will end up in 5 minutes. We'll be just sharing those information and we are not late and thank you, you are fine, yes, we have signed that, thank you, goodbye, we are sorry for that. But if you don't have those, even if you have achieved that, most probably you will be guilty, correct? What else? Performance reports and expectations, or performance expectations, or planned performance, pricing and payment terms. If you're negotiating a payment, why our client organization is not paying us on time, as long as we have those payment terms and we have priced it this way. Inspection, quality requirements, acceptance criteria. Why we do not have a code A on our deliverables? What is the code A? Approved without any comments, correct? So why we are not getting a code A as long as we are committing and complying to the acceptance criteria which was agreed before? Warranty and future support. All contracts will have a warranty and future support terms, especially for example for construction projects. You will have a warranty of 400 days. So what are the terms and incentives of penalties? This is very important. Please do not go with any contract unless you negotiate the penalties, correct? Because the penalty will kill you at the end of the day. For us, in one of our projects where I was working back in 2017 for a certain company here in Qatar, they had a penalty of 10% out of the project on the delayed items, on the delayed deliverables. Yeah, unfortunately, this was 3 million Qatari riyal. So you can imagine that if you do not negotiate such an item, how much you're gonna lose on your project. And insurance, performance bonds, subcontracts approvals, terms and conditions, change requests, and termination clauses. And if you have ever, guys, signed any contract for your organization, you might know that those are the main titles of all the clauses of your contract, correct? So usually the statement of work, major deliverables, milestones, dates, performance evaluation, payments, support, penalties, everything should be mentioned in the contract, correct?